Hello, in this video I'm gonna check if Realme C61 comes with USB cable within the box. Here is my Realme C61 box and let's slide it out of the cover and see what's in there. So there is an accessory box. You can find a case, safety guide and quick start guide inside, as well as a SIM tray opener. Then here you can find the phone, and under the phone lift this tray up, and as you can see there is a USB cable, which is USB-C to USB-A. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.